Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to give you a bunch of different methods with the help of which you will be able to find Bingo Blitz promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, you will have to come to the official website of Bingo Blitz, and over here you can click on free credits and you can try to find the offers and some of the tasks that you need to follow in order to get free credits or freebies. In the second method, click on the shop option and try to find if there is any deal, promo code, offers, or anything that is going on that you can just find interesting, and then you can just avail that deal from here. In the second method, you just have to simply search for Bingo Blitz promo codes 2025 and you will find the official website of Bingo Blitz here. So you can just open it in a new tab, and you can also take a look at some other websites, like you can join some Facebook groups in which you can find the promo codes. You can just seek help from Reddit. You can even just take a look at GitHub as well. You can see that this is the latest promo codes as of January 2025. This is the promo code, so you can just open it in a new tab to find out what it is and how it can be worked. So this is the page on which you can basically redeem your promo code, and it is also giving you what all needs to be done and how you can basically redeem that code. You can see that we have also opened GitHub page, but it is showing nothing. However, on the home page it is showing us the promo code, that is this Jan 2025 bonus, and this one, that is Bingo freebie. So you can try to claim this promo code as well. You can even just follow them on Twitter, and you can just keep an eye on if they are giving any promo code or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.